fireworks are very, very cool. I really, really love fireworks. They are very nice. And someone keeps using fireworks, it's like blinking. So, if you like 4th of July, please like and subscribe. Yeah. It might be pretty loud because there's fireworks. It's 4th of July. It's very loud. But my tablet's very, like, if it points up, then it will still point to something that I'm not saying because it's kind of not used to it. You've never seen my face in one of my videos, so these fireworks, they are truly amazing. Wait, I have a spot. It's on this rock right here. This is a rock. This is a rock of amazingness right here. I'll get all the good views. There's like a firecracker. Oh, these things. Oh. So 4th of July it's very, very nice. So much fireworks. It's amazing. I love 4th of July. This is probably my most best day of my life. This is amazing. Hopefully there's a lot of big fireworks. I might not be able to get a lot of it. This is so cool. The beauty of fireworks is so fireworky. I love it. So much fireworks. It's like white smoke where I can see it. This is very, very cool. Oh yeah, they're finally using their firecrackers. I'll try and put it higher so you can see. It's not really that much fireworks anymore though. I'm gonna try to get as much fireworks as I can. Ooh, that's nice. Nice. What? Sadly, it's not. No, we can't have that much more time to do more. Oh, actually, hold on. Okay. Sadly, it's the end of the video. I don't have any more time to record because usually I always stop at like 5 minutes. So, bye. I'll try and see you in the next video.